I'm say there with the boss, the head of JOP, the leader. Who that, Travis? What that?
Yeah, but easy.
Shit the crowd. What that doing here?
Money up.
Doing here?
Yeah.
What is me here now? Because I mean, the grill is a place where everybody go for party and have fun, and Appleton Temptation Live, them have the big bad doing it on the show.
Yeah.
Me here say good after you done shell down fully loaded.
Yeah.
I mean, trust me, I know. Me still at I can't believe come here and say God no doing here.
Yeah.
Go to steal my dad, you tell you. You need it fully loaded away. So, right now, me here say go up on Temptation Live, right? You perform, right? You step out, and all of a sudden I hear that there was some altercation between you and some member of the alliance. I think it was Mavado, they said, or a member of Mavado's entourage.
Yeah.
So, and then there was something printed in the paper that saying that Elephant Man had to save Appleton Temptation Live, but everybody else on the street is saying that Aidonia took the show. So, would you like to add some clarity? What exactly happened at Appleton Temptation?
This has a lot to do with biased media. He's a message over the years. Them always try, I don't know glory, always try fight, I don't know over the years. You see what I say? Yeah. And in this case, JOP is no troublemaker. You see me? We book for ATI, not RTI. You notice that we don't go up an RTI show Friday or Saturday.
Nigger dreams, yeah.
Alright, because we book for ATI. Yeah, so at the show, my time for step on the stage. One track play, we sing one song, we can't hear the next track. When we look around, we see. But this track here, I tell you off a man because I'm holding and I press the CD thing to take out the CD. You know? So that's where when I got involved, I say, yo, no, not the one thing and thing. It turned out to be a member of Mavado's entourage. You know, I try to take out the CD, they put in Mavado's CD.
But why you think, I mean, just give me your thoughts. Why you think that they don't want to be doing that?
Well, this all stem from fully loaded, you know. You see me, I say, because as I said earlier, the streets, I said, I do not take fully loaded, which is the alliance show, and everybody knows that I do not in the alliance. JOP will say. It all stem from that, take the show. So I notice that other show that everybody want to work before me. You see me? Because one together work before me at this show.
Which I found rather strange.
Which one together work after I do it. When they say one together work before me, they say, what is this? True, you know, say, all this come from fully loaded. We take the show fully loaded and a bigger thing go on. So everybody want John Aidonia. You see me? Because for the past couple of months, one heap of song in rotation, people them love back the vibe, and the thing will move nice and we focus on some music we are dealing. So it's a whole setup thing. You see me? At this ATI show, when people work before me, then when I'm my time for work, I'm gonna try to force on a man when I'm build for the show. You know, build for this show, you. Where you come on the show for? I come cast animosity and show off the vibe of the people, show off the vibe of the stage manager, show off everybody's vibe. That's not necessary. You see me? So they must say, I don't know, they must try to make it look like he's a troublemaker or it's a negative view. No.
Hold on, let me just verify that. Are you saying that Mavado was not billed for the show?
He was not.
He was not? No. So he was basically just making a guest appearance?
Guest appearance. He was not billed for the show. If you look on the flyer in the see, Friday night was Mavado's show at Jungle. So what they doing at Waves? On Saturday night, Vybz Kartel I perform at Jungle Saturday night. You could have go there. Go work before Vybz Kartel. No. Why come on my show now? I try to make my distracting, show off the mix, take out CD, show off the vibe of the people, and then I'm stand up for myself now. Star make it look like say Aidonia and any rescue show. Ask the people in the streets and nigga what happened at ATI. Ask them.
But I heard that a member of your team actually barely escaped being stabbed.
Well, me not see that part there. Hear that part there. You see me, which a man on the stage said him see. This youth in a white shirt, not even know him name, open knife. You see me, at Jerry Digital, who is the man around the sun. You see me, I say so. Them all open knife off of this man. Me not see that, but man with dead say them see. And I swear to God. Open knife. He wants to stop the man on the sun because the so-called gangster to sing now. I don't know if he sing. You know, build for the show you. Don't not try. But all of this for.
But question though, is there any animosity currently between yourself and Mavado?
No animosity. So I don't know where this come from. But at the show, chase grass, me hear up chase grass. Flex, me hear up flex. Because of them alone, me they see at the show. When me reach, Mavado was not at the show. Even when Gun to Kill I perform, Mavado was not at the show. I just flex on them and they perform earlier. Them they on the show. Right? So So, I don't know where the vibes are coming from. Mavado don't have no vibe. When you see Mavado, you will heal up with that reason. So, I don't know where that energy are coming from.
Have you spoken to him since the application?
No, not since.
Is there any intent to speak to him in terms of like bringing the matter to a resolve?
Well, what you going now, you know? That will always happen, you know. You see me? Because at the end of the day, music we are dealing with. At the end of the day, unity we are dealing with.
Why I ask is because I have gotten wind of some information that they are supposed to be, I don't know. As I said, none of this is confirmed. It was gotten wind of it. But they're supposed to be a meeting
Me hear something
to resolve all of this ongoing.
Yeah, something like so. But it not confirmed. Me hear if we set up one thing.
So if there's such a meeting, would you go?
Go? No man, they have to come, man. I'm not going to. They have to come to me. You see me? Because at the end of the day, me not wrong. I don't do nothing wrong when I stand up for myself. And what is right.
I recently saw a release that was put out to the media that the show was taken by Bounty Killer and Mavado.
Yeah.
And Elephant Man.
Yeah.
I mean, what are your thoughts on that?
Bias media, you can ask the whole nigga. You can go back and you can know the interview the people and ask them how it go. True but all, we don't see Elephant Man performance. So I don't know where Elephant Man go on with. But up to my performance, which is supposed to come next, I will take the show. And that the people them say, the whole of the West people them, the whole of the Kingston tourists and the Nigerians say, I will take the show. You see me? Because after that violence, I just go back on the stage and start with the people them tune, laugh and shot them, laugh evil, then when the things start getting violent, I say, see the girl them, they wine and bubble, and beer thing, beer and knife, I know West with them. Beer touch and beer thing, please get shelled down, but bias media. You see me? I don't know enough people have control over the media certain way. So them always do this over the years. Always hide my glory and then make me look at the aggressor when I'm not.
So, I mean, enough for this animosity. So, what else is in the pipeline for GOP now?
Well, music, is right now crazy music, I'm so very I've got a couple tracks recording already, still recording. Diablo, you see me? I've got a couple tracks recording, still recording. You see me? I said, me and them supposed to do a track right now.
Yo, Brooklyn. When the real bad man them there. Fuck no God. Hey, what's the good do when the wheel come? But I get to the nurse first. Straight from West from the town boss. Me up in smoke up on boss. Mr. Fitzen on, I never hang on. Over yes or no? Mr. Fitzen on, I never hang on. If I the pussy just say not going on. Don't shout that. See the body and take out. Can't take the boy when blow your life for what? Look. Me not can call, but if you hear that ball, got it. I can't shot if you don't got it. Got the key, can't got kill if you're not bad for me. Jackie, the right girl. Look. Brooklyn. A cartel. Don't get it twisted. Baby. You're not tired, girls. If you're not tired, sit up on it like a little lady. You have this slap like crazy, my baby. Then you don't love her, why you're not baby. Hey, you know what? Get a pretty boy, baby. Type on it like you're in a Navy. Don't you have no meat, you have no gravy. Don't lay down with man, make out quickly. Arrest you now, go get me. Pull on, no. If your pussy and the paper, the hood of the bed, you have problem. Pull on. Yo, good to go. Una alright over there, sir? Una alright. Pull up. Good to go. Hear me I say, it's been a while. Hold on, baby. You love me? Rude boy, remember telling you this. No matter what now doing on the blood clot world. When y'all want money, if you are work stop work. If you are study stop study, when y'all want money. Make sure she can study, she cover. That's when it's sunny, when y'all want money. Be time move until it's sunny. Do exactly right when the money, when y'all want. Them definitely don't want quicky. Sleep cocky, copy icky, baby.